5-axis CNC machining offers 3 linear axes: X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, and 2 rotational axes, A-axis, B-axis, work to achieve the complex parts. Hello, welcome to WayKen's YouTube channel. I'm Kelly. Today we are going to take a closer look at 5-axis CNC machining. Compared to other manufacturing methods such as 3-axis machining or 3D printing, 5-axis machining offers a number of advantages. Number 1. Simple setup operations. For multi-surface structures, the 3-axis machine requires multiple setups, while the 5-axis machine does it all at once. Number 2. Machine complex shapes, arcs and edges that previously required multiple special features to achieve. 5-axis machining can rotate the part in a single operation to achieve the desired geometry, eliminate the need for complex features. Number 3. High precision. 5-axis machines eliminate the need to reposition workpieces at different edges during machining. Thus, machining tolerance could be improved. Number 4. Save cycle time and money. A single operation reduces repositioning and fixture replacement time, saving the cycle time. It also saves money by extending tool life and reducing labor involvement. So the 5-axis machining is used in a wide range of industries like the automobile, aerospace, and boating industries, especially the parts require complex geometries and tight tolerance. If you want to know more about 5-axis or request a quote for your prototype or small volume production, please click here.